Zip Tie Garage. We had a subscriber ask to do a walk around of the 79 F150. It's a F150 custom. It's on a 6-inch lift. I'm not sure what the lift is. It was bought this way. And it has raceline rims on, as you can see in the intro there, and it's wrapped in Dick Creep 35-inch tall tires. We're hoping to go to Super Swampers at some point, but we'll probably wear these out before we do that. And also in the other video, it has a Flowmaster 40 series on it, just dumped before the rear tire. That's basically all that's done to it. It's a 351 Windsor, just the standard automatic transmission. And it has a newer bench seat style in it. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a lot of fun to cruise around, and it gets a lot of looks. If you have any more questions about this or any vehicles you see on this channel, post them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to get to it. Thanks. Don't forget short door panels too. So we'll show you underneath the hood. So I probably said Windsor before, but it's a 351 Cleveland. The only difference, as far as I understand, is heads and some other little things like that. It is to a 3-speed automatic transmission. And as far as I know, it is a factory AC truck. But there's nothing modified about the motor at all. Someone did flip the air intake up. I don't really know if that adds power or not, but it makes it sound a little bit better. But as far as we know, it's all stock motor. It runs pretty good. It gets about 9 miles to the gallon. But that's basically it.